Guys, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm back. Happy New Year to everybody. Ooh, I lost 10 pounds. All right, we made it past the holidays, thank God. So where are we at now? Winter. So I tell you what, let's do this. We're gonna have a recipe right now that I call lazy cooking. And you, what? What are you talking about? You bust your butt doing the holidays. So what we're gonna do is the crock pot. I've got my chicken here from the food pantry that I had in the freezer. Can you guess what we're gonna make? That's right, chicken soup. It's wintertime. Everybody's getting a cold. You hear my voice? Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna need, this amount of chicken. You can do more if you want. I've got one onion, medium size. I've got one carrot. Oh, where's my carrot going? It's all right, it's going in the soup. Got my one carrot. I've got a piece of garlic. I got my spices here. Hold on. Got my onion powder, poultry seasoning, parsley. Okay. I've got some salt-free seasoning that I just happened to buy. And, hey, whatever. Just to spice it up. Italian seasoning, white pepper, crushed red pepper, and I might put in some black pepper. I don't know yet. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put this all together, and it's real simple. The first thing I'm going to do is put the chicken in the pot. Let me show you. So, we're going to put our chicken in to our crock pot, just like that. Remember, this is lazy cooking, okay? I am going to chop up my medium onion. I'm just doing a kind of rough chop. Yes, my hands are clean, of course, as always. You want to just do this like this. Okay, like I said, it's kind of a rough chop because you're making a soup. Alright, this is going to cook overnight. Okay, this is my lazy cooking, and you deserve it after the holidays. Oh, did I mention my one piece of garlic? Well, I'm chopping that up too. Alright. Don't use more than one carrot. Carrots have a strong flavor. You hear me? A strong flavor. So, you do not want to use too much carrot. It will take over the flavor of your dish. Alright? So what have we put in here so far? One medium onion, one clove of garlic, the chicken of course, and of course I chopped up one carrot. Oh, for extra flavor, let's put in 2 stalks of celery. Hold on. Gonna chop up 2 stalks of celery. Celery adds flavor to just about everything. It's a great seasoning. Oh yeah. Fresh celery has a crunch to it, okay? Alright. Put in our celery. I know you're thinking, where's the chicken stock? Well, chicken is going to make its own stock. Remember, this is going to cook all night. So you're going to have a great chicken stock. Now I'm going to show you how you thicken up that chicken stock too. Hold on. made here. Now, we're gonna put in about a teaspoon each. I'm doing this to memory and taste. I know how to do it. You measure it. Onion powder. Okay. Poultry seasoning, same amount. About a teaspoon. Okay. Parsley. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now put in Italian seasoning. I mean, like in chicken soup. Yeah, Italian seasoning in chicken soup is the secret ingredient. I'm telling you right now. Oh yes. I wonder where Shy is at. She must be taking a nap. Shy, you missing it? Got chicken. She's probably downstairs. Now I'm gonna put in. You gotta be careful with white pepper because white pepper is hot. Okay, it's hot. All right. My salt-free seasoning, which I got at Aldi's. Yes, I did. Don't put in plenty of that. Remember, this dish is low sodium. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in some red pepper because we want to kick it up a bit in the spice direction, and we want to kick the cold in its butt. All right, we're gonna clear it up. I want this to have a little kick to it. Okay, now that we've done that, I want to show you before I put the liquid in how you make your chicken soup thick and brothy. All right. Get you a nice saucepan. Get you some butter. That's right, I said butter. Voila. All right. Oh, magic butter. All right. I'm being silly. Give me a nice soft utensil. You're gonna melt your butter down. Okay. Melt it right on down, and as it's melting down, we'll turn the fire up on that a little bit. See, we got a fire? All right. This is the basis for any thickening for soup or sauce. Now, let's repeat our spices. Onion powder. Yep. Poultry seasoning. Same amount. Okay. Parsley. Like I said, we're going to be doing like a teaspoon of each. Only I'm going to step it a little bit. White pepper. Salt-free seasoning. Turn the fire down just a little bit. Just a wee bit. Okay. Red pepper. We're stepping it up. All right. Now we're going to take some flour and put some in there. All right. Just enough so we can make, you see this here? A nice sauce like. Now this, we're gonna cook this till we cook the flour taste out and bring those spices in. Ooh, I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning to that. I didn't add none. About a teaspoon now. Okay. All I do is repeat my spices of my main soup. Oh, this crock pot. I'm gonna put the water in it just enough to cover everything to about this level here. Okay, be right back. All right. Now, stir this around. Oh yeah, that's fine. Now look. See how much water is in there. Okay. All right. So now, we're gonna add our cooked flour concoction into our concoction here. This like that. Let me show you a trick. You do this like this. It's just like when you're making gravy. You stir it around. You put it right in to your soup mixture. Okay? It's right up in there. Alright. Take the pot off of here. So like I said, this is lazy cooking. Alright guys, I got all the ingredients in the pot. All the ingredients in the pot. Listen to me. Tongue tied, got a cold, can't talk. Lord have mercy. You got all the ingredients in the pot. This is gonna cook overnight. I put mine on high. Because I think it was gonna cook all day. And maybe all night I put it on low. But since it's gonna cook all night and I want it ready for the morning, I'm gonna let it be on high. Okay? It's lazy cooking. What? This way, your soup will be wonderful. Now, you gotta stick around for part 2, because in the morning, I'm gonna show you how this comes out. Okay? Like I said, may this new year be a plentiful and bountiful one for everybody. And may this COVID-19 stuff and all these variants go away. Because when you go out, you gotta wear a mask now. Wear the mask, okay? Just calm down, wear the mask. They come in designers and all kind of colors and shapes and everything. All right, listen to me. Stick with me for part 2, okay? Also, I'm going to show you how the bacon wrapped turkey came out. I forgot to do it. I know I got caught up in the holidays and that's the way that went. But stick around for part 2. Also stick around and at the end of this video, you get to see the bacon wrapped turkey. All right, part 2, my chicken noodle soup coming up next. Oh yeah, look how juicy the turkey came out and tender. All mine. I'm just joking. Chris, you want some turkey?
That'd be nice.
All right, this is Uncle Chris. I'm out.